Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen chimichanga in the air fryer. So all we need is frozen chimichanga, and this particular one is a chicken and cheese flavor, but you can use any type you want. The instructions are the same. So this is frozen, no need to defrost. Let's open the air fryer basic. And now I will put the chimichanga in the air fryer. So frozen chimichanga goes in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious chimichanga, perfectly cooked. So browned on the outside and completely cooked on the inside. This looks so good. Now let's take it out of the air fryer. This looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's cut it in half and see what's inside. Crispy outside and perfectly cooked, juicy, tender inside. Look at that. So good. Now let's try it. Yummy chimichanga. So tasty. You're going to love making frozen chimichangas in the air fryer. So easy and so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!